Psychology as a subject is really broad. It can be quite challenging to decide what career you want to go down because there's so much to choose from. Psychology Plus, it gives our students a competitive edge in comparison to other universities, where we offer short courses, for example, in cognitive interviewing, motivational interviewing, rapport building, skills that are going to be very useful, and that's something that you're not going to learn in the classroom. It does give you an opportunity to explore different career paths. Psychology Plus provides cost-free opportunities to our psychology students, experiences with partner organisations, Clutter Buddies, we have Mind, opportunities with the NHS. So these allow our students to gain fundamental skills and provide networking opportunities as well. When they graduate, they have all these connections and might even have opportunities for further work experience with those organisations.